In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show your additional name to all members on LinkedIn. By the end, your additional name, such as a maiden name, former name, or a commonly used nickname, will be visible to everyone on LinkedIn, which can help people recognize you and find your profile more easily. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. Click the official LinkedIn website result to open it. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account first so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top of the page for the Me menu. This is the profile menu that shows your photo or avatar. Click it to expand your account options, then select View Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile page where you can make edits. On your profile, find the section at the top with your name and headline. You'll see a small pencil icon there, which is the Edit button for your intro details. Click the pencil icon to open the editing panel. This is where LinkedIn lets you adjust core profile information in one place. In the editing panel, locate the additional name field. This is where you can add or confirm the extra name you want people to see, such as a former last name or a familiar first name variant. To the right of that field, you'll see a visibility icon, often shown as an eye or a small globe. Click that icon to open the visibility options. From the visibility choices, select All LinkedIn Members. This setting makes your additional name visible to anyone on the platform, not just your connections. It's a great option if you want recruiters, former classmates, or colleagues who aren't connected to you yet to recognize your profile instantly. If you ever change your mind, you can return here and choose a more limited audience. After selecting All LinkedIn Members, confirm your change by clicking Save. Give it a moment to update. Your additional name will now appear alongside your primary name across LinkedIn where your profile is shown. If you recently added or edited the name itself, make sure it's spelled exactly as you want it displayed. A few quick tips as you finish up. Keep your additional name professional and consistent with how people know you offline, and avoid special characters that can make search less reliable. If the change doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or check back after a short while, as LinkedIn updates can take a moment to sync. That's it. Your additional name is now visible to all LinkedIn members.